Now, I have some sad news for y'all in this video. Lynx Air, an ultra-low-cost airline here in Canada, has just announced it's ceasing operations on Monday due to rising costs, which will definitely reduce competition of the airline industry here in Canada. I think this airline is important for those individuals that depend on low-cost airlines to save money, and it definitely will be disappointing for those travelers in the long run. Now, I was lucky enough to fly on Lynx Air just before they chose to cease operations, and those 2 trip report videos will be coming soon. Stay tuned. Here's a sneak peek of some of the footage I filmed.
Il y a 8 sorties de ce coup là-bas, 4 sorties de cela.